Hi everyone, my name is Brian from Code and Tech. Ready to discover some hidden gems in Windows 10 and 11? Here are the top 5 features you might not know about. Feature 1. Virtual desktops. Press Windows plus Tab to access and create multiple desktops for better organization. Feature 2 Snip and Sketch. Press Windows plus Shift plus S to quickly capture any part of your screen and annotate it. Feature 3. Clipboard history. Press Windows plus V to access your clipboard history and manage copied items. Feature 4. Quick access to settings. Right-click the Start button for a quick menu to access essential settings and tools. Feature 5. Storage Sense. Go to Settings, then System, and select Storage. Toggle on Storage Sense to automatically free up space by getting rid of unnecessary files. It's a great way to keep your system running smoothly without manual cleanup. Explore these features today and follow for more advanced tips. And tomorrow we'll be diving into advanced Excel formulas and functions.